Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're diving into a common Python error. It's the attribute error. str object has no attribute get. This error pops up when you try to use the .get method on a string. But .get is meant for dictionaries. Let's see why this happens and how to fix it. First, understand what's going on. The .get method is used to retrieve values from a dictionary. It's a safe way to access dictionary elements. It prevents your code from crashing if a key doesn't exist. Instead of throwing a key error, it returns a default value. This default value is usually none. Now, strings in Python are sequences of characters. They have their own set of methods. These methods are for manipulating text. Examples include .upper, .lower, .find, and .replace. Strings don't have a .get method. So, why do you see this error? It's usually because you're accidentally treating a string like a dictionary. This often happens after fetching data from an external source. The data might be expected as a dictionary, but it actually comes back as a string. One common scenario involves working with JSON data. You might load a JSON string using JSON.loads. If the JSON string represents a dictionary, everything works fine. But if the JSON string represents a simple value, like a string, you'll get this error if you try to use .get on it. To avoid this, always check the data type. Use type to see if you're working with a dictionary or a string. If it's a string, you can't use .get. Instead, use string methods or access characters by index. Here's an example. Suppose you have data equals hello. If you try data.get key, you will get the error. To fix this, ensure your data is a dictionary before using .get. If you intended to access a character in the string, use indexing like data 0. If you need to extract a specific substring, explore methods like .find or .split. Remember to carefully inspect the data you receive. Print it to the console to understand its structure. This can save you a lot of debugging time. Double-check your assumptions about data types. This is crucial when working with external data or APIs. Pay close attention to how you're processing the data. Make sure you are using the appropriate methods for the data type. Understanding the difference between dictionaries and strings is essential. This helps you avoid this common attribute error. So, in summary, the str object has no attribute get error happens when you mistakenly use the .get method on a string instead of a dictionary. Always verify your data type and use the correct methods. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand this common Python error. If you found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Your support helps us create more content like this. Consider checking out our other Python tutorials. Your support means a lot.